Good morning all. We are in sunny, very sunny West Sussex today, out the back of Horsham. Lovely, beautiful day working on this Toyota Corolla 2005. The customer called us in because he had a bit of a fueling issue recently and has requested a 4-stage carbon clean service from us. So we're just not far off completing it actually, but I'll run you through the service. At this moment in time, we are running the hydrogen through the air intake, which is burning off the carbon from the engine. We've used our 2-stage injector cleaner, our 3-stage chemical cleaner, and our 4-stage DPF regeneration aid. Now basically, these chemicals in order: the injector cleaner is simply a cleaner just to help flush and burn off the crud off the tip of the injectors, so that they get a good spray pattern and therefore a better combustion. The 3rd-stage chemical sprayed in through the air intake. It's designed to two elements to it. First of all, to remove the oily gunk as much as possible that builds up around EGRs, turbos and that sort of area, and to dry the carbon out as much as possible, so that when the hydrogen goes into the engine, it can burn off the carbon a lot better. And the full stage is simply a DPF regeneration aid. It allows the DPF to burn off the soot at a lower temperature and therefore help revitalise that. So this is a 4-stage process, including diagnostics. It takes approximately 1 hour and costs £179.99. We do 1, 2, 3 or 4-stage carbon cleans depending on your requirement and our recommendation. And we also offer DPF cleaning services, remapping services and diagnostics. If you require any assistance at all, our telephone number is 01293 769495, or you're welcome to send us a message where we respond to you as well. Have a great day.